Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play with dolls, updated. Start by creating a safe play zone and gathering dolls, outfits, and accessories. Invite a child to choose a role for each doll and decide on a simple storyline together. Use props to encourage sensory exploration and language development. Rotate toys and introduce new outfits to keep interest high. Always supervise play and follow the child's lead for creativity and confidence. Role play fuels imagination and social learning with dolls. Start by naming each doll and giving them clear personalities and little goals. Act out everyday routines like bedtime, mealtime, or a small adventure to teach sequencing and empathy. Encourage the child to solve small problems for the dolls, such as sharing toys or finding lost items. Keep scenes short and repeat favorites to build confidence and vocabulary naturally over time. Teaching care routines with dolls is both practical and playful. Demonstrate dressing, fastening, and feeding while inviting the child to try each step for fine motor practice. Use gentle prompts and ask open questions to foster back-and-forth conversation and listening skills. Praise attempts and model calm responses to spills or fussy dolls to encourage patience. Rotate caregiving roles so every child gets a turn to lead and learn empathy through
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.